boring. What should I... What? Sammy, come visit me. Love Neytiri. Hello, Neytiri? I'm on my way. I hope she heard me like that. All right, Earthlings. I've gotta go. Pandora, wait for me.
We will be the first to land on Pandora and meet baby Neytiri. Grrr, the tiger friend will help deliver the baby to the transformation. First, we'll use some clay. She already looks a bit like a Navi. And now we will cover the doll with blue paint from head to toe. Well, let's draw your eyes, shall we? Come on, it's going to be a little ticklish. And let's not forget about the patterns of the Navi people. So beautiful! With a thin brush, we will apply blue patterns to the arms, legs, and the whole body of the baby. Let's make her hair from twisted pieces of black ribbon. They look like real braids. And the traditional Navi hairstyle is ready! Just check her out! The only thing left is to make the baby comfortable clothes for the jungle. Well, now we're talking! Let's add a couple of accessories. Whoosh! And everything is ready! Come back to the jungle, baby Neytiri! Adventures are waiting for you!
Huh? What was that?
Oh my!
Our characters met and became good friends! Look, they're having a picnic! It's so much fun with friends! Baby Neytiri is happy. Flew straight to the top of the tree! Get down!
Get down, baby girl! It's time for you to sleep! Come on!
For a peaceful sleep, Neytiri needs a cozy hammock. And of course it must be beautiful! Let's decorate it with plants! Oop! And oop! We'll add the rarest species from Pandora's jungle. Here we go! So pretty!
Well, Neytiri, are you ready to see your new home?
After fun games, the baby will sleep sweetly in her nut bed.
Rock-a-bye, baby, under the trees, la la la. Olay, baby! Who ordered slime for the party? Hey, shush! Can you not be shouting? Excuse me, please. Of course, a baby's sleep is very important. What was I thinking? She said shush! Haven't you heard her?
While everyone was arguing, a seed of a magic tree landed on the baby.
Wow, this has never happened before. Ewa is talking to us.
It looks like we're in for a new transformation. Hello again, little girl. I've seen you've grown up a lot. Amazing. With age, Navi people gain new beautiful patterns for their skin.
Their hair, by the way, also became longer.
Here's the outfit for you. Want to try it on?
Holy cannoli! I had to take a picture for my subscribers. What? Gets me! Neytiri, wait for us! And where is Sam? Did they lose their minds? Ouch!
The dolls got tired running and decided to rest. Every one of them is busy.
I wonder what the stars will tell us today. I will create a real primeval masterpiece. You'll see. Hey, where is Rexy? Where could she hide? Where are you? Grrr, she will never find me. Don't worry, I'm already here. Hey, was I expected here at all? Sammy, let's go. I'll show you how to make a kite. Is that possible? Shiver me cheddars, I'm in.
The body of the kite consists of 2 cross sticks. We'll lengthen its wings with shorter sticks. And here's what we've got! It's great, isn't it? Give us a thumbs up! And now let's draw and cut out the wings from foam paper. It's simple. When the wings are ready, let's paint them sky blue. We'll add some fluffy feathers. Wow, lovely! Just look at this beauty! And our kite takes off for its first flight! Look, it has already chosen our Neytiri as his main friend!
Fly, my dragon, fly! Let go! I went to the best slime art school! I know how you should draw that! Whee! Wow, what is this?
Marvelous! Neytiri has found our secret stash with objects from Earth! Only our primitive friends have no idea what's what!
Oh, what a wonderful thing! What is it? That's a funny hat! Thank you very much!
In all that fuss, no one noticed how little Neytiri disappeared from the view! Our little girl is waiting for a new transformation! And by the way, now she is a teenager! She will definitely need a new outfit! And let's not forget about the Navi's accessories! Well, now Neytiri is ready to return home!
La la la! Oh! What an interesting boulder! Wow!
Neytiri solved the mystery of the smartphone! She knows how to take a selfie!
By the way, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button!
Oh, Sam shouldn't have showed her the games. Now she is stuck to the screen.
Hey, Neytiri! Hello! Let's go hunting! She doesn't hear me. Quick! We need to save Neytiri from the phone! What?
Whoa! The help is on its way! Who has such big wings?
Whoa, this is my Taruk! Let's fly! Let's go higher!
What a flight! Let's make our own dragon! We twist a piece of thick wire and fix the parts for legs and wings with tape. With the help of thin wire, we form the tail and paws. Oops! Taruk is not very strong yet. Let's add some foil for the volume. Perfect! And now we will form the body with plasticine. Is everyone ready? Bam! That's what you should get! Level the surface so that the seams are not so obvious. Wow, look, our dragon has opened its eyes!
And then you need to fry it until it's golden brown.
Oh, come on, don't fry, but color it! What is wrong with you?
Oops, I guess I googled it wrong. Sorry, Susan.
We have already attached foam paper wings. All that's left is to add texture with acrylic paints.
Woohoo! We are already on our way to the next adventure. Stay tuned. Oh, I love my planet Pandora so much. And I still can't get used to it. Release me!
Look! During her strolling, Neytiri grew up again.
The spirits say it's time to meet Iwa. Great!
We already have a glowing nightlight to create a magic tree. Let's knead the clay. Hop, hop, come on, work harder. We'll decorate its foot with the pieces of colored clay. This will be the bark of our magic tree. And to add even more similarity to it, we will make a few furrows. A luminous tree will have a shimmery bark. So beautiful! We'll decorate the branches with pipe cleaners. Just wrap it around the branches like this. The unusual leaves complement the image of the sacred tree. And now let's see how beautifully it glows in the dark!
Wow, there's also music here. It's like a radio.
And the girls are chit-chatting at a distance. Everything is possible in our fairy tale.
Hello, I want to order such a tree to Earth. What's the cost? And I have a plan to make my friends happy. How many seeds do you think will be enough? Susie, it's your cue.
I'm taking over. Let's attach the lights to the garland with lanterns. Wow, our decoration is ready. Let's run to the forest.
Susan, hurry up! My friends are already here! Where did she take us? Alright, I'm gonna open my eyes! Awesome! Look, the whole forest is glowing! I've never seen anything like this in my life! Finally, my friends and I will have a party! Hooray! Did you call a DJ? Even if you didn't, here I am with the music! And these are your dances? Seriously? Dancing is so much fun! Sammy, don't grumble, join in!
Neytiri wants to sleep. Let's make her a spacious hammock. We tie the net to 2 wooden sticks with strong knots. Let's get it up in the air! We'll cover the bottom with large tropical leaves and decorate the hammock with flowering vines. Beautiful and very comfortable. Here we go. Today, everyone played great and fell asleep really quickly. Our characters are seeing the 10th dream already.
And it's time for me to go back to Earth. Sue misses me. Watch more videos on our channel and subscribe. Bye-bye.